The biggest takeaway that I can say is if your expensive site is showing up as empty to the LLMs and the AI engines are trying to recommend you, and you're using these heavy page builders and all this really cool glommy stuff that's like super sexy and these fancy frameworks and all this other cool stuff without the server side rendering, you're going to be invisible to search and somebody else is going to take over. This is why having a plain, simple, easy to read, easy to use site is so very important. Realizing that you might have had a lot of cool graphics and everything else on there, and you can still have that, but plain and simple is really where it's at, especially when it comes to just getting your point across. So now I know exactly what I can put in and what I don't want to put in and how I want it to be rendered so that now my site will have exactly what I need. Yes, this is going to take me a lot longer because I'm going to have to code the CSS and the HTML5, and it's going to be a little bit more intensive instead of hosting pictures and things like that where I was doing that. Some of the things that I've learned on this are really important, and now I know what to look for. But I'll tell you, for what that AI audit did for me and did for my other client, it's so important. Now I understand even more why you need to have this roadmap right now. You need to have a roadmap where the AI models can read your trust signals. AI models cannot easily read trust signals inside flat images during a standard crawl. They can't read client testimonials if they're in a flat image because there's no JavaScript. So like, how are they going to read anything? There's no code. This is really important.